Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, said the oil spill from sunken motor tanker MT Terra Nova off the coast of Limay, Bataan is already under control. According to the PCG, only 1 liter of oil has been leaking as pressure valves and high-level alarm sensors have already been sealed. However, they observed very minimal and unnoticeable oil sheens in the shorelines of Hagonoy, Bulacan, and Cavite based on the aerial survey. Meanwhile, as part of the preparation to the possible effects of oil spill, PCG has put an oil spill boom on Navotas Malabon River.
So generally, everything is under control. Walang dapat kabahala sa ngayon. We are on top of the situation. Pero ganun pa man, maingat pa rin tayo sa pag-handle ng situation na ito. Tandaan natin yung oil ay nasa ilalim pa ng dagat. So yung siphoning is yet to commence. Most likely baka bukas.